This 2009 Coachmen Freelander 315 OSS is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Skylight, air conditioning, awning, oven, leveling jacks, Slideout, external shower, stovetop burner, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2009 Coachmen Freelander 315 SS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.